will talk about the logo and the banner of the channel. Logo is this thing right here, the thing that is written besides your name, like in this case, and your channel banner is what is right here on the top of your channel. This is two of my smaller channels that I actually use at the moment. The Nick Nixon, which is my personal channel that I talk about video creation, course creation, and a YouTube growth right here. And in this case, I use my photo as my logo. You can use your photo as your logo. It's perfectly fine. The simplest way to do is to use your photo as your logo. You can use it 100%. It will not be a problem. The thing is, if you're not making a personal channel, you may not want to use a photo as your logo. Then you can go and create your own logo, something like that. Or if you don't know how to create your logos, I'm going to teach you this right now, so don't worry about this. And you need to do the same thing with your banner that actually explains what your channel is about. Like right here, as you can see that I have the names and everything. I have like new video every 3 days. I have some logos, subscribe for more. The same here, I have the things right here. It tells that my videos are uploaded every single day. Sci-fi and fantasy gameplay videos every day. Like I have the different logos for different franchises. I have my own logo, etc., etc. So these two banners should give you understanding what type of banners and logos that you should have like for yourself. But now the difficult thing, you don't know how to create a logo and a banner. So this logo and banner has been made through Photoshop. So it's a bit advanced, so I'm not gonna teach you how to do it on Photoshop, at least at this moment. We're gonna go through the advanced logo and banner designs later. But the thing that you can do right now is go through and create your logos through canva.com. I'm gonna be, of course, including every single links. So canva.com is your best bet to start with your channel design. It is the best place to start for yourself. And when you go to canva.com and you log in, you can go log in with your Google account or with your Facebook account. It's not a problem, or you can register. It's absolutely free to use. There is a paid subscription as well, but let's concentrate on only the free subscription at the moment. When you go here, you can have a create a design tab, or you can have the search tab right here. What you need to concentrate on is YouTube chat here, and I'm gonna go switch here and logo. These two things that you need to concentrate on. If you don't see it right here, you can just go and search for logo, and it will just search logo for you. Or you can go for the YouTube, just search YouTube, and it will give you your YouTube icon, YouTube channel thumbnail, and YouTube art. YouTube icon is very good thing to use as well. You can go and see YouTube icon as well. Let me just switch to your YouTube icon right here, and as you can see, like when you press the YouTube icon, it will give you a bunch of templates. The same thing is with the YouTube logo. I'm going to show you the YouTube logo right here, just a logo design. Yes, logo designs look pretty good as well, but YouTube icon will be a bit simpler for you to use, and it will be a bit better to use because it concentrates more on the circular design right here. As you can see, like despite the logo itself being square, it shows you in a circle right here, and the same here, it shows you in a circle. So as you can see, if you just type this, have a circle around this one, it will be perfectly fine. Here as well, here as well, here as well. You can just go and choose whatever design you want, whatever suits your needs. And let's concentrate on, I don't know, let's choose one of the logos. As you can see, there are a lot of different logos. Let's concentrate, for example, something very simple. Let's concentrate on this one. I'm going to press this one right here. It will open it in the editor, and what I can do is I can change the name. For example, if I want to have it in the Nick Nixon name, Nick and Nixon, I'm gonna press enter right here just to have it spaced out. It's gonna say Nick Nixon since 1992. Yes, this actually my year of birth, which is very nice. And I can change this logo. As you can see, this logo is watermarked. So what I will do is I will delete this one, and I will use some other element to add. I'm gonna press elements right here, and for example, let's use this one. I've been using this thing. This is a Twitch logo. If I want, I'm gonna put it right here, and as you can see, it fits perfectly fine. It looks perfectly well. Or I can change something else. I can go with the uploads. I think I have a YouTube logo somewhere. Oh no, I have a Nixon logo actually. Yeah, this you can use if you have a separate logo, or you can just upload whatever you want or search for internet. And as you can see, I can just put it right here, It looks just perfectly fine. It does not look the best, but it's perfectly fine if you are doing it as a beginner. It is very nice thing to have as a beginner. You don't need anything complicated to have at the beginning of the channel. Like, what is bad about this logo and why I myself would not use this logo is it's way too small. As you can see, that logo right here it's very small, and details will be very difficult to distinguish. And what I would do in my case, like, I would just delete this text entirely and just have since only 1992 and just have something like that, or just increase it in size and have something like that. What I would do in my case. But if you don't have this one, you can just write a big letter N, just have a text, add heading, and write letter N, and then just change its size into something very big, like 144, or maybe even larger than that. And like have a font that you want. Let me just move it right here and have it something like that. Like make positioning may be a bit difficult, but you can position it however you want. Like, this is a logo. This is a very simple logo that you can create. The same thing you can do with the banner, which is right here. YouTube banner, you can choose a different banner, whatever you want. Let's say for example, I'm gonna choose something like let's choose it together. Let's choose something like that. I'm gonna press this one, and I'm gonna change the text, making your let's say life better. And yeah, you're gonna have something like travel videos. No, I'm gonna say a content creation videos and tips. Bam, we have our banner done. It's very simple and very fast to do. What you need to concentrate on as well is try to have a color scheme same here and here. Like, try to have the same. In my case, I don't have it the same, so I can just go and like choose this color. I need a hex color for this one, but okay, no problem. I can try to have the similar color to here. I'm gonna select this one and just select something like similar, not very close, but similar to this one. I'm gonna change every single color to this one, and yeah, I'm gonna have something like this and this. They look more or less similar, and which is very nice to have. And it is extremely simple thing to do. All you need to do is just go and play with canva.com. It's absolutely free. Just focus on things that are absolutely free, because you're gonna see some remove watermarks stuff, etc. Just concentrate on this stuff, and then what you need to do is go and press download right here, and it will download the PNG. You cannot work on these things right here, and sometimes what will happen is that it will be a bit too large when you download. This is the resolution is I don't know if you can see it somewhere. I think you could see it right here. Yes, if you go to the channel art, it says 2560 by 1440. That's that you need to have as the resolution of your channel art. Sometimes when you download it, it will be way too heavy, and what you will need to do is change the picture's size, make it better. And what you need to do is just Google it, like change picture size right here. You can go and pick resize right here. It will be, you can upload the picture right here and just make it a bit smaller. That's it's a very simple thing to do. Just you need to go and make this thing smaller. It happened a few times with me. It may happen if it may happen with you as well. Just be mindful of that. So this was it for the simple logo and a banner design. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and this will boost your channel at the very beginning. You can change it anytime in the future. Unlike names, you can change logo and banners in any time that you want. It will not be a problem in the future. So just work on that, improve on that, and just start learning how to make better logos and better channel arts. And yeah, we're gonna return with